Oh, where is it? Shiver me chatters! Oh, that's not it! Can anybody tell me what should I do?
Sammy, what's going on? Is today the day of flying boxes?
I was invited to a birthday party and I already have a gift, but…
Really? What do you want to give?
Sweets, but I can't find an appropriate packaging!
Why don't we make a few cases for sweets together and you'll choose one?
Holy cannoli, what are we waiting for?
Hey guys, today we'll make origami cases for sweets. Let's start with an ice cream shape.
Ice cream? You said ice cream? But why do you need that paper then?
Sammy, calm down. Our case will be made from this paper. Be patient and you'll see. By the way, whose birthday are you going to?
My friends from Tibidaba. We met a long time ago.
Really? Can I meet him too? I would love that. How old is he? What is his name?
Good macaroons! Are you grafting or interrogating me?
Sammy, what are you doing? I thought those sweets were for your friend.
Oopsie, I thought you didn't see that. I was just checking. By the way, I can help you.
Why, thank you, Sammy. I could use that.
Yay!
I'm gonna make a fold here, like this. Now, could you make the same thing with this part?
Sorry, Sam, I'm too busy. My cake!
Sammy. I knew I'd have to do it alone.
Going to be a case for sweets, not some kind of a ship.
Sammy, you're Russian as always. Just wait a bit and the result will please you.
I don't see how that can become a case.
Watch this. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! We have a small case. Even now it looks good, but when we finish, it'll be really great.
Whoa! Now we can fill it up, guys!
No, Sammy, you will put your sweets here later. By the way, can you tell me where and when the birthday party will be?
Okay, I will reveal the secret, but promise me you'll keep it.
Oh, I swear by sweets and cookies that not a single soul would hear about it from me.
It'll be in the evening on the 34th of April.
But Sammy, there are only 30 days in April. Maybe you got something mixed up. Anyway, check this out. Our paper ice cream is almost done.
Oh, Sue, can I have it, please? Great. But it seems to me that sweets will fall out from this case.
That's because we need one more piece of that work of art. And I need your help again.
It is time for the greatest draftsman of all times. Like this, another line, and enjoy the masterpiece. Nobody can do it better.
Okay, I will add a few touches if you don't mind. Now it's time for magic. Whoosh! Wow, guys, check this out! Does it remind you of anything?
Now let me do something else. Now we're talking!
Hey, Sammy, what do you think we should draw here?
I think it should be a cat because my friend from Tibidaba likes cats. And I will draw the cat he likes by myself, you'll see!
Oh, whoops. Sammy, I guess I did that for you. But we also need some glaze. Huh? Now that's much better.
Holy cannoli! I think this is one of the best cases for sweets ever!
And I think you're right, Sammy. Would you look at this cutie? Oh.
And what's that, Sue?
More cases. You can pick one or take them all.
I'm gonna have a bouquet of paper ice cream!
And now, Sammy, before you eat all the sweets, let's make one more case. This time, I think we should go with something inedible, like watches.
Sue, it's awful! Somebody has stolen my sweets! I think it might be rats!
Maybe they can help you cook ratatouille and then you will eat sweets together.
That's not funny at all! My sweets were stolen! They're gone for good!
Oh, calm down. You just accidentally tore down the package. Better look at what a beautiful case this is going to be.
You're right. I would put some notes on it to keep them at hand.
What decor should we make?
Sue, leave this to me.
Okay, I trust you.
Yay! Here you go, Susie!
Whoa! Sammy, is this the new Apple Watch? I totally love it.
Sue, it's not for you. I love you, but give it back.
Calm down, Sammy. I know it's a gift.
Sure! But now I have one problem. I don't know what to choose!
And now we're going to make a piece of cake. Sammy, will you help me?
Sure, Sue. Let's see who's the best crafter.
Take your sheet of paper and repeat after me. Now, please be attentive so we do everything on the first try.
Definitely. I got it. That was pretty easy.
Oh, Sammy, we're making a paper piece of cake, not a paper hat.
But I like it. I think my favorite sweets will fit well in it.
Your favorite? I thought it was your friend's birthday, not yours.
Your point being, I have the most sophisticated taste in sweets in the world.
You're the most cunning slime I've ever met, Sammy.
And the only talking slime you've ever met. Oh, I'm so special.
Oh, Sammy, let's concentrate on what we're doing here.
Okay, you said that we're making a piece of cake, but I'm getting a plane. Should it fly?
No, of course it shouldn't. Just be patient and keep watching and repeating. Now we're doing a lot of creases so we can put our piece of cake together later.
But can you at least explain to me when I'm gonna get that cake?
Of course. I'm making the lid and you're making the case. Then we will put two things together.
Oh my fatas, so together they will make a piece of cake, alright!
Now put away a piece and take a break. The next several steps will differ.
Oh my fat, I really need some rest. It's so hard to make gift cases.
Maybe we should just buy one next time and you won't be so tired and…
No, good macaroons! I completely disagree! How could you say that?
I'm just kidding, Sammy. Of course, crafters can make better cases than any shop has.
Phew, you scared me. I almost believe that you really think so.
Okay, let's talk about something nicer. What about the menu at the birthday party?
It's obvious. Sweets, cakes, cookies, ice cream, and other tasty things.
Right. And our cap is done. Now, where's that part that you've made?
Here you go, Sue. I did my best.
Oh, I can see that. Now look, our piece of cake is done. But I guess it's too plain. Let's add some sweetness to it. Whoosh! Now it's much tastier.
Our piece of cake needs a birthday candle.
You're right. Looks much better this way. And check this out, we have 2 more pieces of cake.
Oh, my feta, they're so great! It becomes much harder to choose one case for my gift.
Sammy, do we have enough time before the birthday party?
Yes, but we have no sweets.
What? But right before we started, you had a full package. Where is it?
I've already told you it's those rats. They've eaten all of my sweets.
I doubt they could have done that. But I think I know who could.
Really? I have no idea who you're talking about.
I think it was the most famous sweet tooth in the world.
Okay, you caught me, but those were my favorite sweets.
I know, Sammy. But what will you bring to the party then? Any ideas?
Maybe you could give me your sweets and then Clausen won't be so sad.
What? How did you know I have sweets? Were you spying on me? Wait, Clausen? Like Santa Claus?
I was spying on sweets. And yes, he is the Santa Claus of Tibidaba, but you didn't hear that.
Oh, okay, I won't tell anyone. But maybe he can bring me some gifts?
I can talk to him if he'll be good and share some sweets. I promise not to eat them.
Okay, you know where to find them, little slick slime. Go!
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. You're a true friend.
And I'm almost done. Now let's bring this to life. Hop. Check out our happy baggie for sweets. How do you like it, Sammy?
Wow, it's so cool. But I also made something. What do you say now?
Oh, this is extra cute. And I have one more. Now let's have another look at our awesome sweets cases. So here's what we've done today. Several cases that look like ice cream, cool modern watches with a surprise inside. Cakes, I'd eat this. And last but not least, our paper milk boxes.
This is all very cool, but where are the actual sweets?
Sammy, this is the only thing you think about. Huh?
Yes, so let's fill up all the cases with sweets.
Sure, there can't be too many, right?
Oh, Sue, our cases are the best.
I love them too. Guys, if you want to see more videos like that, then subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye-bye!
Bye.